Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix audio out of sync on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com, or you can download the application. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the projects, quick recordings, AI speakers and templates. And we also have, as you can see, the workspace, and in the top right corner, we can see your profile and the new project button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix audio out of sync on Descript. So firstly, ensure that your original audio and video files are in sync before importing them into Descript. If they're out of sync from the start, it will be difficult to fix in Descript. Descript has a built-in, of course you can repair it, so Descript has a built-in feature called repair file that can help fix audio draft issues. Go to file section in the project panel, click the Eclipse button next to the problematic file and select repair, and then repair audio drift. You can manually sync them. If the automatic repair doesn't work, you can manually sync the audio and video, split the audio and the video layers, and drag the audio track to align it with the video. You can adjust playback settings. Sometimes playback issues can be resolved by adjusting settings like frame rate and audio format. Make sure both audio and video are using compatible settings. And you can use sequences. Descript allows you to create sequences which can help with precise adjustments, convert your clip to a sequence, and make fine-tune adjustments to align the audio and video. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and found it informative guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.